Now that you have your renders that you got out of Blender, and hopefully you did it as an image sequence instead of a movie so that this trick will work for you. Right now, I have all of my renders in a separate folder on the desktop. If I look at them, you can see, if I scrub through them, you can see that they're all there. All right. So you could import this into Premiere. However, that takes a lot of time. I found a better way to do it. So let me go ahead and show you. So first thing you want to do is open QuickTime or QuickTime Player. So I have it on the dock already. If you need to look for it, you can go through the Launchpad. So it didn't open any windows because I don't have anything open, but you can tell that it's open because it's up here at the top bar. Okay, so I'm going to say File, Open Image Sequence. Now it's already got my folder on here. You will have to navigate to your folder. So I'm going to go ahead and say Command A to select everything and say Choose Media. It's going to pop up this little window that's like, okay, how big do you want it? What's the frame rate? And what are you encoding it for? Because what it's going to do is it's going to create a video. So I'm good with this. So I'm going to say Open. And it will make my video for me. All right, it's now created my video. I can press play and you can see all my frames are playing together. All right, isn't that lovely? Now, the last step we need to do, since it's still untitled, we want to save this as something. So I'm going to say File, Save. Please name it as something other than untitled. So I'm going to call it, I don't know, practice render, practice video. Okay. And then I'm going to say Save. So it creates this new video, and then that's what you can turn in. So hopefully this helps you out. It saves a lot of time versus what you would do with Premiere or After Effects.